On this particular video, on the last one, I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to be doing with an emery wheel, flat wheel. I'm going to clean up two sides of the clothes at once. I don't want to endanger the gallery because it's a very delicate part. I want these clothes to have a 90-degree angle in the back. Get all the blemishes off in the casting. Clean up anywhere that I have to. Sides of the ring. I don't want to take up too much time on the video. Clean up all the marks. You notice how I'm holding it. I'm holding it with actually 3 fingers. Change it to my tapered wheel. Get in between all the areas. I cannot do that with my flat wheel, so I gotta use my tapered. Oh, it's almost like painting the claws. I let the wheel touch so gently, light pressure. This is delicate work. Actually, about 25% of my time of setting is used in cleaning and using a pumice wheel. I'm now going to use my flat-faced pumice wheel. What grit size? Always 180. I don't buy anything else. I don't want my fingers to obscure the lens of the camera. So I want you to watch everything that I'm doing. So wherever my emery wheel went, my pumice wheel will surely follow. Now, as a little extra bonus, I'm going to swing and use my 1000 grit pinky. And I'm going to just go over everything. And it makes it nice. It's almost like polishing the wheel, polishing the ring. I only do this on certain occasions, and this is one of them. I'll even go on top, just for demonstration purposes. Now, what would I give this ring out of 10? And its final grading mark, as nobody's perfect, I'll give it about a 9.75. Even the best of us do make mistakes. I could spend a half an hour going through everything, but you know, we don't have the time for that. Don't go too fast with the motor. You don't have to do 60 miles an hour. The speed limit's only 20 miles an hour. But in Canada, it's 30 kilometers an hour. There you go, job's done. Just go over the tips, and I'm happy. Get my old toothbrush, get all the grunge out of it, and get my trusty loop and examine everything, making sure that the claws are sitting straight and they are pretty well vertical. Again, compare that to this humongous piece of whatever you want to call it, recycled garbage, and you get something of beauty. So we use transformed something from a piece of, I don't know what you call it, but it's something very, very nice. If this was a diamond, this would fit onto the person's finger, and she would be very, very happy with it. It's about a 6.5 millimeter stone, equivalent to a 1 carat size. You can see the gallery and everything's being nicely shined up. My area of expertise lies only from 3/4 of the shank actually half the shank up. What happens down underneath is out of my concern. That's for the jeweler or the ring polisher to deal with. Remember, always trademark your ring, carat stamp, any other identification marks should be on the inside. If the ring, if the diamond, I should say, has an ID number laser engraved,